What it do, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the KB show. And today we got a special one for y'all, man. No paint prison vlog. No prison vlog, none of that, man. We're gonna do I'm gonna introduce to y'all a new vehicle to the channel. My new car, I done had it for a while, but I haven't introduced it to y'all, man. Y'all check it out. We got a 89 4-door LS Brougham box Chevy. Sitting on them gold things, man, on them gold Ruchis with the spinning caps on there. It's got 90,000 miles on it, all original motor, minus the radiator and alternator. We got leather interior on there. I don't got the key to it. It's inside the shop right now. We got it up here at the shop so I can get it going through the whole mechanical side. Going through and have new components, new parts and stuff put on there. But yeah, this is the new addition to the channel, man. Y'all check it out, man. It's got 90,000 miles on them. We got leather interior, music, matching steering wheel. It's just a nice, clean car, man. Bought it from Carbar Atlanta or Carbar, Alabama. One of them car bars. Online. It was a pretty smooth transition. I'll probably make a video of me buying that too, like with the process, or me talking about the process of buying an old school through Carbar or online. If you don't go look at it, you know, I had this one shipped to my front door, so I got some footage of that. It was pretty smooth. I might upload that, but wanted to drop a video this week. I'm gonna probably get up to the paint shop as well for the two-door, so we can get a video on the two-door and the paint prison video. But I just wanted to kind of bring some positivity to the channel, man, and introduce to y'all my four-door that I bought as like a birthday present to myself, to kind of drive around the city and relieve myself of the paint prison of the two-door. I was like, you know what, I'll go get me something else to slide in, and this is what I got. So y'all comment down below, let me know, should I name this car? Should I give it a name? Should I just keep it OG, original? I didn't really plan on doing too much to it. Little small things done to this car, honestly, because it doesn't really need much. They said it was a driver, so I just plan on doing a few cosmetic things to it, maybe update the music. But other than that, I don't really plan on doing too much. But y'all get in the comment section, man. Y'all let me know, should I give this car a name? What you think I should do to it? Should I LS swap it? Should I keep it OG and cruise it? Y'all let me know. Y'all comment, let me know what kind of footage y'all want to see, man. We coming out of Las Vegas, Nevada with the box Chevy content, box Chevy footage. I'm originally from Illinois, but I got a love for these box Chevys, man, and I'm gonna bring this content out here to the West Coast because I feel like ain't too many people really doing it out here on the West. But y'all see how we coming, man. This one, new addition to the channel. It's been in the shop for about a month, so I'm gonna have everything underneath done. All new components underneath. I'll redo the music, but I don't really got too much planned for this. But y'all get in the comment section, man. Y'all let me know, should I name it? Should I name it? Y'all let me know, should I, what you think I should do to it? All right, man. We're gonna tap in with y'all in the next video, man. We out.